it's me, Keandra. I don't know why that sounds weird because nobody calls me Keandra, which is my name. Everybody calls me Kiki or Key or K. But anyways, today's video is going to be my first unboxing video, and I will be unboxing my spring Fabfitfun box. It is a $200 value box, and it's $49.99. You get it every quarter, so you're charged every 3 months. And today I just want to share with you guys what's inside the box. So this is what the box looks like. So we're just gonna get started. Let's take out the first thing out the box. So the first thing is gonna be the Gravity weighted sleep mask. It's pretty heavy. Like, I don't know if I would actually use this. I do sleep with masks on the plane, but yeah, just weighted. So the next item is gonna be silicone straws. Like, we can all use straws. I do have like a steel straw in my backpack that I like take to work, but these will definitely come in handy. The next item is gonna be, it says Ish Lip Duo Set. So I'm just gonna open it up. I never heard of this brand before. And it is a lipstick and a matching lip liner. Just what it looks like. Oh wait, I forgot to show the lip gloss. I mean lipstick. This is what the, wait. Oh wait, wrong way. How do you open this? Oh wait. It's a lip gloss? Oh, I thought this was a lipstick, but I guess it's just a lip gloss. It's kind of cute. But it did just fool me though, because this looks like a lipstick. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is, it says Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is just like a body cream. The next item is gonna be a little Bluetooth speaker. Super tiny, super cute. So that'll probably come in handy. The next item I am going to show you guys is the Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Gel. So this looks like it's a face mask. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out is Marianelli body oil. I love oils with mongongo and pomegranate oil. I never heard of mongongo. So this is a body oil. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is a turmeric sponge. It's pretty hard. I wonder if like when you wet it, does it like soften up a little bit? It's like a little shower sponge. Yeah. So the next thing I am going to show you guys is this lunch pail, and it's by Kate Spade. I believe I added this in the box because you can sometimes like pick different things that you would like add, and I think I added this to the box. It's super cute. It said this was $30. I would never pay $30 for a lunch pail. I'm just gonna open it just to show you guys the inside. Cute little lunch pail. So the next item is gonna be packing cubes. I think I added this product as well. I'll link below everything I did add in the box. And when I say packing cubes are really great with helping you pack, when I went to Europe last year, I went to France, and I only can take a carry-on suitcase, and I used packing cubes, and they saved my life. Like, cannot believe that these actually work. And it has a small, medium, and large. Get y'all some packing cubes. If you're trying to travel and you trying to like take a carry-on, get you some of these. The next thing is gonna be, it's like a little shawl. Little shawl, little sweater. Just throw it on. It's kind of big, but I think it's a sweater. Or is it a robe? Yeah, I think it's a little shawl. So that concludes my unboxing of the Fabfitfun box. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me a question below, or you can follow me on Instagram at Keandra Arshawn.